Hi students, today we are starting our last topic of the chapter, that is plant life cycle and alternation of generations. In plants, both haploid and diploid cells are present. They divide by mitosis. Plant body produces gametophyte. Zygote is divided by mitosis to produce diploid sporophyte plant body. Haploid spores are produced by meiosis. This is also divided by mitosis to form haploid plant body again. In this way, during life cycle of sexually producing plant, there is an alternation of generation between haploid gametophyte and diploid sporophyte. These life cycles are of three types, that is haplontic life cycle, diplontic life cycle and haplodiplontic life cycle. Let us start with haplontic life cycle. Here, sporophyte is presented by single celled structure known as zygote. In zygote, division and the formation of haploid spores takes place. Haploid spores divide and they form gametophyte. This kind of life cycle is known as haplontic, where haplontic stage is dominant on diplontic stage. As we can understand from the name also, haplontic means haplontic stage is dominating, that is gametophytic stage is dominating. We can understand here what is haplontic life cycle. You can see it is bigger. Haplontic life cycle is bigger, sporophyte is small. Now here this is gametophyte, gametogenesis, fusion, formation of zygote, then meiosis, then spores. So haplontic life cycle is bigger. So it is known as haplontic life cycle, which is dominating on sporophyte. Diplontic life cycle. The gametophyte is represented by a single haploid gametophyte and diploid sporophyte is dominant, and this is called diplontic stage. Now we will understand here. As you can see, this is the sporophyte stage, diplontic stage that is bigger one, and haplontic stage that is smaller one. You can see. Now here zygote, sporophyte, gametogenesis, meiosis, formation of gametes, fusion of gametes, syngamy, formation of zygote. Zygote converts into sporophyte. So this is diplontic life cycle. Now haplodiplontic life cycle. Bryophyte and pteridophytes show haplodiplontic stage. That is, they both are multicellular and not dependent on each other. Means both are equally dominating. You can see from the diagram also, half is sporophyte and half gametophyte. You can see this is known as haplodiplontic. Now here gametophyte, gametogenesis, syngamy, zygote, sporophyte, meiosis, formation of spores, gametophyte, and formation of gametes, fusion of gametes, and formation of zygote. Here you can see equally dominating haplontic and diplontic life cycle. So it is known as haplodiplontic life cycle. Here diplontic life cycle is dominating, so it is bigger one, and haplontic life cycle is smaller. So it is known as diplontic life cycle. Haplontic life cycle. Here you can see haplontic life cycle is bigger and diplontic life cycle is small. So it is known as haplontic, where gametophytic stage is dominating. Here where diplontic life cycle, their sporophytic stage is dominating, and here gametophyte and sporophyte or haplontic or diplontic stage are equally dominating. So this is known as haplodiplontic stage. Today we have completed our chapter. After this, I am sending you its assignment along with the PDF. Thank you.